All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. Time to get it in, man. Teamed up with the folks over at Tact once again. Love working with them. This is their new mini wallet ultra. So this one right here is a little bit more compact. It comes in 3 different colors. I'll go ahead and tell you those colors now. It comes in a natural silver, onyx black, and this is the limited edition Nova Orange here. There we go. So this will be something that you want to add to your collection for sure. If you have any MagSafe phones out there, this is going to be a good one for you. Now I'm ready to see the more compact design because it looks like it's going to be really nice. So you've got a new flex band, which is always a must. You've got a durable design, minimum profile, which I really want. I don't want a big thing sticking out the back of my phone. And then they've added some magnets. So this will be pretty good here. Let's crack this open here. Go. And after you cut that, you push to open. Okay, you push to open. There we go. Ooh, yeah. Oh, yeah. This is this is gonna be pretty thin. I like that. So we'll set this to the side. The flex band, folks. Oh yeah, this is the one. This is the one. The flex band is right here. So they've a new flex band. They've improved that, and it shows a little instruction here. Let's put this to the side. Shows a little instruction on how to get things out. Obviously, you want to push here, and that'll bring up your cards or whatever you have there. So this is just a little demo thing here, but this is the wallet itself, man. This is really nice. Oh yeah, this is really nice. You can see the improved design here. This has a soft touch area here. So when it goes onto your back of your phone, it's going to be really nice and it won't harm the materials of your phone. I gotta say this limited edition Nova Orange is actually really nice. So this new flex band, it should get things easier in and out. Let me grab some cards here. Yeah. Yeah. Now, this is where your cards actually go, and you get them out by doing like that. This is gonna be really nice. I could just have this as a wallet alone. I think that's really nice. But let's get it onto my phone here. You can see here, it's gonna go on this way. That is what I was looking for. A nice, strong magnet. Now I chose the limited edition Nova Orange to have some pop. My phone is silver. Didn't really need it to blend in at all. I mean, I liked, I want to know where my wallet is at basically. So when I go out, I like to see that the wallet is still there. I've definitely misplaced some things. Don't know that I've ever misplaced my wallet, but having this bright orange with this silver is actually pretty fire. It's really good. So you've got an ultra themium design. You've got that is a strong magnet, which is what we want. You've got a premium microfiber cloth here. This is really nice, man. I really like that. And the new flex band works really well. You need a flex band. You need a new band. You need a strong band on here because you're probably going to be taking certain things out of there. Like the card I use the most is going to go in this slot. And so I don't want it to wear out quickly over time. And that is where that's going to come in. But, you know, having to have that strong magnet is really nice. I'm going to put my credit card in there, my driver's license in there. My main debit card will be out here on this portion. And then when I want to get to my driver's license, just a quick pop up and it's good to go. This is only 10 millimeters in thickness. So this is a really good, strong magnet on here too. It's really good design. I can tell they added some magnets from some of the previous wallets that I've seen. And this is really nice because if you do take this off, you go somewhere, like I went to an event where there were no phones, I could just pop this off and pop it in my pocket and then, you know, turn my phone in. So I really like this. I would say, folks, while you can get this limited color, it doesn't matter if your phone is orange or not. This limited color is like a really nice burnt UT orange. For those that like that deep orange color, I remember I had a Suburban. I got it painted this deep orange like this. I hadn't even heard of UT. I never watched UT football until the last 20 years or so. But yeah, this orange color is really sleek. And I'm going to tell you, you might want to get the orange color if that's your thing. If you like limited things, this definitely is going to be the way to go. So you should get this within 1 to 3 days because they ship pretty fast. And I really like what they're doing here, man. This is really nice. The depth of it though is 9.9 millimeters internally. So 81 grams with no cards. You can fit up to 4 cards. You can also put some cash in this front area right here too. But up to you how you want to use it. There's no wrong way to use it. Just go ahead and make sure you secure the most important things inside of this area here. Because I don't know that I'd want to put any cash out here. I do carry like a $100 bill just for emergency purposes in my wallet. But I typically have a card that I'm using, and I think that's probably the best way to do it. So anyway, it's your man Jay. 4 cards in the chamber plus the cash on the outside is what's recommended. But I gotta say, this thing looks beautiful, man. This is a very, very strong magnet, and it's now going into rotation. This is the way, man. I gotta give it to them. They have definitely stepped their game up, and this is going to be an important add-on to a lot of people who have an iPhone in particular. I really like this, how easy the mechanism is now, and this is really strong here. I really like this. That is a strong magnet. And this is how it's going to look. If you have a silver phone, this is how it's going to look. Anyway, it's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoy. Shout out to Tac. I'll have a link in the description to grab yours, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.